Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is gonna be about creating our first Flutter application. There are two steps which is used to create your Flutter application. First, open command prompt, and second is run following commands to create and run your Flutter application. So let's see the code section. First, open command prompt. For it, press Windows R and type CMD or press enter. Locate that directory from where you have to store your Flutter project. I am using my E drive, and in the E drive I can use my own folder named Flutter projects. For opening your folder, you have to write change directory command cd and folder name Flutter projects. For creating your project, run these following commands. First is flutter create command. For it, type flutter create and your project name. Here I am writing application demo and press enter. Your project is creating. Wait some time. It's up to your processor how much time it will take. So our project is creating successfully. For run your Flutter application, you have to just access your project first, then run your Flutter project. So for access the folder or project, use change directory command. For it, type change directory and your application name. In my case, my application name is application demo. Application demo. Press enter. For running your application, write flutter run command. Just type flutter run and press enter. So it will say from where you would like to run your application. There are two browsers and one window. Three options are available. Here I am typing just two for running my application at the Chrome. Just wait for while the connection are not been established. So I'll see your the output. Congratulations, your app has been successfully created. So this is the default app screen. So just type code dot for opening the project in the VS Code. So this is the interface of VS Code from where the Dart code is here. So before we jump, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any future tutorial. If you have any question or topic you would like to cover, drop a comment below.